go.
Are you able to go? Are you able to go?
Not at all. I'm gonna stay here a little longer with you today.
Huh?
I'm staying here a little longer with you.
Why?
Yes.
How come?
Because I don't have to go work until it snows.
Huh?
I don't have to go work until it snows.
It is?
I know. I mean, when it accumulates, when it hits the ground.
That's good. No one's even watching your YouTube.
I have to shovel a lot of snow. Oh, man. When it accumulates, that's when my nightmare comes.
You're saying food.
Oh, fuck.
You're what?
I had to wait till it sticks to the ground and had to shovel it off.
You did say it pretty backed off.
Yes.
Good.
Don't worry, I have to wait. No problem. I don't mind waiting.
Huh?
No problem, I don't mind waiting.